students, in this video we're going to solve a problem which appeared in the year 2014 JEE Advanced paper. It's a very simple problem. Let's go ahead and see this. So here we have a two line and they intersect at a point. We have to find out that distance between that particular point, right, the intersection point, and 1 will be less than 2 root 2, right? Then what will be the appropriate condition? Let's go ahead and solve it. So here we are having two lines, so let's consider them, right? So we consider both the equation, right? Both the equation of the straight line. So ax plus by plus c is the first equation and bx, ay and c is the second equation. Named it as 1 and 2 respectively. Now our aim is to find out the point of intersection. So that's why, right, we need to solve these two equations for x and y. So solution of a linear system. So here we first subtract 1 and 2. So if we do so, we see that a minus bx plus b minus a y and c minus c is 0. So therefore it's equal to 0. So if we rearrange the term, we get it as a minus bx is equal to a minus by, and hence x is equal to y, assuming a and b are not equal. And why we say so? See that condition, it says a greater than b greater than c, so they are not possible to have a equal sign there. So therefore we can cancel a minus b from both sides. That's it. Let's go ahead. Now we just substitute x equal to y in the relation 1. If we do so, we get ax plus bx equal to c, and hence x is equal to minus c divided by a plus b, which states that y is also have the same values. So we are able to obtain the coordinate of point of intersection. Now we need to find out the distance of this particular intersection point with 1, 1. So if the d is the distance between them, so obviously you have to use the formula or distance formula between two given points. So we know that it is actually square root of x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. If we use that, then we get d square is equal to 1 plus c divided by a plus b whole square, and same thing repeated. Why? Because x and y are the coordinates. Okay, that's it. So therefore we can easily go ahead and write d square as 2 times of a plus b plus c whole square divided by a plus b whole square. Now d obviously will be the square root of root 2 and a plus b plus c and a plus b, right? And we consider this positive because distance we assume it as positive. That's obviously a valid assumption, right? Let's go ahead. Now here it says that d is less than 2 root 2. So therefore that inequality holds good. We see that root 2 cancel both sides. So therefore if I multiply both sides by a plus b, we get that a plus b plus c sum of all three is less than 2a plus 2b. So if we rearrange the term, right, we get minus a minus b plus c is less than 0, which is a very straightforward calculation. Nothing need to be worried about. Now we also know that if we multiply by minus sign minus 1 both sides, the inequality sign will interchange. So less than is here. If I multiply, it will become greater than 0, and that's the relation. So therefore in this problem, option A is the correct answer, and that's it. See, it's a very simple problem. Hope you understood.